For over 50 years, Kirby Morgan has revolutionized commercial diving. From masks to helmets and everything in between. Dive into history with us as we step into the Dive Locker. The Kirby Morgan Band Mask 8.5. In 1969, Morgan began selling the KMB 8 to U.S. divers, who modified it to fit their scuba tank valve system. Although this modification was acceptable, the valve proved inadequate for sufficient flow rates. Ed Tolorino, the design engineer at U.S. divers, developed the oral nasal concept, and subsequently, U.S. divers provided him with their entire commercial line. Also in 1969, the band mask was licensed for manufacture to U.S. divers, making the KMB 8.5 an exclusive product of U.S. divers. In 1970, the side valve of the mask was modified, and the new valve included restricted orifices. As a result, the company advised against using this mask at depths greater than 125 feet. That year, U.S. divers planned for 125 units of this mask, but received orders for over 800. They were outpacing others in purchases from General Aquadyne, which had a successful year. The next year, U.S. divers budgeted for 1,000 units and sold all of them. U.S. divers maintained sufficient production and effectively distributed the masks until Kirby resumed work with Morgan. After lengthy litigation with U.S. divers, Morgan won back the rights to manufacture the band mask. In 1988, he purchased the entire U.S. divers commercial division, regaining complete rights to all trademarks, including Kirby Morgan, as well as trade dress protection, which covered the mask's actual shape, copyrights to the manuals, and logos. This concludes this episode of the Diving into the Kirby Morgan archives. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Dive Locker.